Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Oral-B IO3 suddenly stops turning on or refuses to work like it normally does, it can definitely feel frustrating, especially when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the Oral-B IO3 shows no response at all, while other times it briefly lights up and suddenly stops again. A situation like this can happen because of charging interruptions, battery issues, moisture around important areas, or temporary glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Oral-B IO3 problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an Oral-B IO3 not turning on or working. Try these. Step 1. Place the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush on the charger if it suddenly stops responding. Step 2. Check the charging base connected to the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush and confirm power reaches properly. Step 3. Inspect the power button on the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush for moisture or visible buildup. Step 4. Dry the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush carefully if water recently reached the handle area. Step 5. Remove the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush from the charger and restart it after waiting briefly. Step 6. Test the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush again and confirm normal operation returns successfully.